Want a tasty way to boost your gut health? Say hello to DIY vegan kimchi. First, grab some Napa cabbage and Korean radish, also known as daikon. These veggies are going to be the crunchy base of our kimchi. Next, cut and salt the cabbage, then soak it in salt water to draw out the moisture. While that's soaking, let's make our kimchi paste. Blend garlic, ginger, gochugaru, soy sauce, and a touch of optional sweetener like cane sugar or maple syrup. Mix it all up with some water until it's smooth. Now, rinse and drain your cabbage. Time to get messy. Use gloved hands to massage the paste into the veggies, ensuring every piece is coated in spicy goodness. Pack your kimchi into glass jars, pressing down to eliminate air pockets. Let it ferment at room temp for 1-2 days, then pop it in the fridge. Tips time. Salt your cabbage properly for tender bites, adjust the spice level to your taste, and get creative with add-ins like carrots or green onions. Enjoy your homemade vegan kimchi, folks. Happy fermenting!